Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Asmakam Deshaha. Asmakam Deshaha. What is meant by Asmakam Deshaha? Asmakam means our. Deshaha means country. Okay, children, see here. Asmakam Deshaha, our country. Okay, children. First, I will read the paragraph, then I will explain you the meaning. Okay, children. Listen carefully. Asmakam Deshaha Bharatavarsham. Vayam atra nivasamaha. अतएव वयं भारतवासिनः स्म. भारतवर्षस्य उत्तरभागे पर्वतराजः हिमालयः प्रहरीय वर्तते. भारतवर्षस्य दक्षिणभागे हिन्दमहासागरः वर्तते. Okay, children. Then the second paragraph. See the picture, children. Then the second paragraph. Bharatavarshe. See here. Bharatavarshe Hindavaha Muslimaha Kraishtaha Bauddhaha जैनाः सिक्खाः इत्यादयः विविधाः जनाः निवसन्ति. भारतवर्षे अनेकानि मतानि, अनेकाः भाषाः, अनेके प्रदेशाः च सन्ति. मतानां भेदेन, भाषानां भेदेन, प्रदेशानां भेदेन च वयं भिन्ना न स्म. वयं सर्वे भारतभूमेः सुताः स्म. भारतवर्षस्य परिचयाय निम्नलिखितं ज्ञानम् आवश्यकम् अस्ति. Then the third paragraph. See here, children. राष्ट्रीय ध्वजः त्रिवर्णः. राष्ट्रीय चिह्नं त्रयः सिंहाः. राष्ट्रीय खगः मयूरगा. राष्ट्रीय खगः मयूरः. राष्ट्रीय पुष्पं कमलम्. देन राष्ट्रीय क्रीडा हॉकी. राष्ट्रीय पशुः व्याघ्रः. Okay, children. Now I will explain about this lesson. Children, this lesson is about our mother country, India. We should be proud to be an Indian. Okay, children? See here. Asmakam Deshaha Bharatavarsham. Asmakam means our. Deshaha, country. Bharatavarsham means India. Bharatavarsham means India. Our country is India. Okay, children? Then the second line. Vayam atra nivasamaha. We are living in India. So that only we are called as Indians. Why we called as Indians? Because we are living in India. They have given that. See here. Vayam atra nivasamaha. Vayam means we all. Atra means here in India. Nivasamaha means we live. We live in India. So that only. Atta eva. So that only. Vayam Bharatavasinaha sma. That's why we called as Indians. Bharatavasinaha. Indians. So, Bharatavarsham means India. Bharatavasinaha means Indians. Okay, children? Then, Bharatavarshasya Uttarabhage Parvatarajaha Himalayaha Prahariva Vartate. Bharatavarshasya Uttarabhage. That means Uttarabhagam means what? North side. Okay, children? Uttarabhagam means north. In the northern side, the India is having the great Himalayan mountain, Everest mountain. Okay, children? So, where the Himalaya mountain is there? In the northern side of India. See here, children. Bharatavarshasya, India's Uttarabhage, northern side, Parvatarajaha, king of all the mountains. Parvataha means mountain. Raja means king. Parvata Rajaha means king of all mountains. Himalayaha Prahariva Vartate. What do you mean Prahariva? That means standing gigantically. Okay, children? Then the next one, Bharatavarshasya Dakshina Bhage Hindamahasagaraha Vartate. The great Indian Ocean is there in the southern part of India. Okay, children? In the northern part, we have a big mountain called Himalaya, and in the southern part, Dakshina Bhage means south side. Dakshina means south. In the south side of India, we have the great Indian Ocean. Okay, children? See here, Hindamaga Sagaraha. That means Indian Ocean. Okay, children? Then the next paragraph. Bharata Varshe. See here. Bharata Varshe Hindavaha. Bharata Varshe means in India. Who are all living in India? So many religions, so many languages. Right? They are saying that. See here. Hindavaha, Hindus. Then Muslimaha, Muslims. Christaha, that means Christians. Then Bauddhaha, Buddhist. Then Jainaha, Jain people. Sikhaha, Sikh people. Then Ityadayaha, Adayaha means etc. So many more are there. Many more religions are there in India. Okay, children? See here. Bharatavarsha in India. Who are all there? Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Buddhist, Jain, Sikh, then so etc. Then Ityadayaha Vividhaha Janaha. Many types of people, many types of religion are there in India. In the only country India. Then Nivasanti. Nivasanti means to live. Okay, children? Then the next paragraph, Bharata Varshe Anekani Matani. I already told you so many religions are there. anekani matani. So many religions. Then anekaha bhashaha. So many languages are spoken in the country India. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, Punjabi. Nearly 4,000 languages are spoken in the country India. Anekaha bhasha. Then aneke pradeshaha. So many states are there in India. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Gujarat, Andhra, Telangana, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. We have nearly 30 states in India, right? They have given there. See here. Aneke pradeshaha. Cha pradeshaha means a state. So many states are there in India. Then matanam bhedena. We have a different type of religions, right? Bhedaha means a different type. Then where we are differentiating? Bhashanam bhedena. We are different in languages. Then pradeshanam bhedena cha. In region wise, in religion wise we are differentiated, and region wise, place wise we are differentiated. But also, then what they are saying? Bhinnaha nasma. We are not fighting. We are united. Instead of having so many religions, so many languages, we are not separated, we are united. That's why we are saying we are Indians. Then vayam sarve bharata bhumehe sutaha smaha. Because why we should be united all together? Because we all are the son and daughters of the great motherland India. That's why they have saying vayam, we all, vayam sarve bharata bhumehe, India's, the mother India's, sutaha smaha. We are the children of mother India. So we should not fight by saying the languages, by saying the religion. We should not fight. We should be united. Okay, children? Then see here the last paragraph. भारतवर्षस्य परिचयाय निम्नलिखितं ज्ञानम् आवश्यकम् अस्ति. You have to know about your country at least these things. You have to know about something about India. What are they? They have given here. See here. Rashtriya Dhwajaha Trivarnaha. Rashtriya Dhwajaha means what? Our flag, India's flag. We have a tricolor flag. Saffron, white and green, right? They have given here Trivarnaha, tricolor. See here, see the flag. Then Rashtriya Chinnham, Trayaha Simhaha. Rashtriya Chinnham means our national symbol. Trayaha Simhaha, 3 lions. See here, 3 lions are there. Here one, here one, here one. Then the third one, Rashtriya Khagaha, our national bird. What is our national bird? Yes, you are right. Peacock. What we say for peacock in Sanskrit? Yes, Mayuraha, Rashtriya Khagaha, Mayuraha. Then the last one, Rashtriya Pushpam, Kamalam. Rashtriya Pushpam means what? Our national flower. Pushpam means flower. Rashtriya means national. National flower. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. Kamalam. Lotus. Then Rashtriya Kridaha. What is meant by Krida? Krida means game. What is the national game of India? Hockey. Right? See here, they have given hockey. Then the last one, Rashtriya Pashuhu. Rashtriya Pashuhu means national animal. Pashuhu means animal. What is the national animal? Yes, you are right. Tiger. Vyagraha. Tiger. Okay, children. Rashtriya Ganam. What is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He. Then Rashtriya Vakyam Satyameva Jayate Na Andritam. A Rashtriya Vakyam means our country's one and only sentence. The woe. What is that? Satyameva Jayate Na Andritam. Truth always triumph, not the lie. Okay, children? Thank you so much. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you so much, children. Meet you all in another session. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.